Hi, Mrs. Sarah here again, and it's the app of the month time. This month's app of the month is a unique one, but before I unveil it, please take some time to share, like, and subscribe. This month's app of the month is the Ease Us MobiSave app. This app allows to restore deleted files from when you were born till now. And by files, I mean contacts, images, videos, and even call logs. Yes, call logs you might have mistakenly deleted. So if you mistakenly deleted an image or a video, you could restore them with the MobiSave app. That is, if your phone doesn't have the option for a recycle bin. There's a limit to the number of files you can recover in a day though. But if you want an unlimited option, you could go ahead and purchase the full version. I'm Mrs. Sari, and this has been the app of the month. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.